Okay. Help me get some of this stuff out here, Jeremiah.
Oh, cool. Oh!
What's that?
What's in there?
Oh, dang it!
Is it like Christmas or something?
Goalie pads.
No way.
Yes way.
No, me too. Oh my God.
What else is in there?
Goalie sticks. Oh, another goalie pad. Sweet. I'm gonna try this on.
Oh, look in there. There's more stuff.
Cool. Oh, a lot of different goalies. Oh, you got a lot of goalie stuff.
And what's that over there?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, dang it. Look, sweet.
Can you do me a favor? Somebody gave this stuff to you. Can you say thank you?
Kyle.
No, not Kyle.
Who?
Say thank you, Mr. Jake.
Who's Jake?
Oh, you don't know him, but can you say that for me?
Thank you, Mr. Jake.
And thank you, Miss Angie.
Oh.
Can you say it?
Thank you, Mr. Jake, and thank you, Miss Angie.
Very good.